Supreme Court didn't withdraw Fubara suit against pro-Wike'S lawmakers, Adeyanju, announced in the news info. Activist lawyer Deji Adeyanju has declared that the Supreme Court never dismissed the appeal of Governor Sim Fubara of Rivers State. Adeyanju said the appeal was withdrawn by lawyers representing Fubara because the matter was overtaken by events. Which events? It was reported that the Supreme Court dismissed Fubara's appeal over the representation of the 2024 budget before the 27 members of the State House of Assembly loyal to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Nyesom Wike. The Apex Court on Monday dismissed the suit in a ruling delivered by Justice Musa Uwani Abba Aji, following the dramatic withdrawal of the appeal by Fubara through his lead counsel Yusuf Ali San. In a notice for withdrawal on the case, the governor simply informed the three-man panel of justices of the court that the event had overtaken his suit. The request for the withdrawal of the contentious suit was not opposed by the Rivers State House of Assembly and its Speaker Martin Amewole, who were represented by Wole Olanipe Concern. Following no objections from the parties, the Apex Court dismissed the case and awarded 4 million naira against Fubara to be paid to the House of Assembly and Amewole. When did they do that one? When did they say Fubara should pay 4 million naira to the House of Assembly and Amewole? For what? For what? Faulting the report, Adeyanju said it is not the correct representation of what happened in the court. Better, because why would they say Fubara should pay 4 million naira to Amewole? For what? Posting on X, Adeyanju wrote, Supreme Court did not dismiss Fubara's appeal. The appeal was withdrawn by lawyers representing the governor because the subject matter has been overtaken by events. This is the correct representation of what happened in court today. Okay. Femi Omotuyi says, Mr. Adeyanju, why are you involving yourself in this charlatan? What are you trying to justify and for what? That question, if you ask me now, who I go ask? And fine, says soon you go know. Okay. Bartholomew Ajimo Ali says, are you trying to interpret to Nigerians? My brother, go and do something meaningful with your time. There is no court in the world that will justify the passage of the budget of a state into law by 4 members against 32 members. Well, those 32 members are not legal. For now, they are not real members. They have defected. So if you think that they will not accept it, that's your wahala. Because I think they've accepted it in the first place. If INEC is not going to conduct election, what do you want Fubara to do? To just accept that Amewole and his cohort should come back? It's not possible. It's not possible. Push Brenner says appeal on 2024 budget has already been overtaken by events because 2025 budget has already been presented and assented by the Rivers State House of Assembly. No this and no peace. Exactly. They've already approved 2025 budget with the 4 lawmakers. So what? Those ones, they don't have any relevance again. If they like, they should be going back and forth, planning whatever, going to court, doing all sorts of things. Their plan is not going to work. If INEC is not going to conduct election, he will keep presenting to the 4 members as the lawful ones until they do the right thing, until INEC does the right thing, because those people, their seats are vacant, whether they like it or not. Whether they like it or not, though. Judas Akini says the consequences remain unchanged. The highest court in the land awarded cost against the appellant who had to withdraw from pursuing the case anymore for reasons kept in wraps. Okay, so I understand that they told them to pay the 4 million naira because they were the one that withdrew the case. It's not as if they've given a judgment on it or whatever because of the events that happened. Probably because they've approved the one for 2025. So it was just like, okay, there's no point doing any case again. That's just it. The implication being that they can't ask for the relief of similar relief anymore in the court. Okay. Anytime Adedoja says, Adeyanju is a baby lawyer. When did he finish from law school? The Supreme Court was clear and concise. Fubara asked for withdrawal while Olanipe Concern argued the case be dismissed, which means the Supreme Court affirming the earlier judgment of FAC and the Court of Appeal. Simplicita. Okay now. Okay now, Ajayi Olonilo says, is it not because the governor's lawyer withdrew the case that the Supreme Court dismisses? Now the governor will face impeachment for illegally spending 2024 budget passed by 3 members. Which impeachment? Which impeachment? I beg you. Let's hear a word. Kingsley Ochama says, no matter how much Adeyanju may be vilified, it will not change the fact that he has stated the correct situation. Yes, so Sunday Fanny says, now understood. Okay. James Collarde says, what did the court do after Olanipekun made the point for the dismissal of the case? I fear all this charge and bill lawyer. Wahala. Victor Ukpem says, which one the Supreme Court asked the governor to pay 2 million naira each to the parties involved as cost? Is it not judgment to allow the 27 lawmakers to function effectively? How can they function effectively when they've already defected? I beg. You say I'm not a lawyer. I need clarification properly to know which is which, please. Okay. I don't know too. Adepoju Taiwo says they should go and find another job to do. He's not a brilliant lawyer. He's not everybody that is there brilliant, but at least he shall pass. He shall pass law school. That's all that matters. You see, so Frederick said Fubara is on top. Yes, so he's on top. He will always remain on top. And CTK Ipam says, now the same thing as carry rope. Na the same thing as carry rope go tie goat or carry goat go tie rope. Withdraw na withdraw. Fubara don't lose. I think I'll just stop trying to create avenues to tap from Fubara or River State. But what did he lose? He was the one that withdrew the case. He didn't lose anything. So you don't know what you're saying. Abubakar Abbas says, only animals like you will be confused by your stupid submission. Even an illiterate will be shocked on how you were able to pass law school. Voila. Adeyanju, okay. Ekeme Ezechibuike says, posting on X, Adeyanju wrote, Supreme Court not dismissed Fubara's appeal. The appeal was withdrawn by lawyers representing the governor because the subject matter has been taken over by events. This is the correct representation of what happened today. So why are you repeating what you already said before? Henry Ibe says, Fubara, you're a strong man. Let Amewule and 27 House of Assembly continue making noise. Yes, so they'll just keep making noise until your 4 years finish. Wike is deceiving them and they are spending money for nothing. I'm telling you. Even Wike, he himself knows that there's nothing that he can do. So if he's still insisting that INEC should not conduct the election, 4 lawmakers is enough. They don't need plenty. They don't need the crowd to do anything. They don't need the crowd though. Wale Obishaki says, thanks, Deji. Some enemies have started reading other meanings to the Supreme Court judgment. Thank God he is there to interpret the law. Ifenkili Obona says, Adeyanju is a half-baked lawyer. He has never worked under anyone before and has limited knowledge about matters of law. He shall still getting jobs to do, sha. He graduated law school. It's not everybody that will pass with an A or that will pass with a B in school. Some people are average students. At least he's doing well in his own right. So whether he is half-baked or not, nothing was overtaken by events. He withdrew the case because he has reached a dead end at the Supreme Court. That's you people's wahala. He has reached a dead end. There is no space for those 27 lawmakers anywhere. If they like, they should keep parading themselves up and down. That's their business. Supreme Court, my listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.